In today's video, we will see the effect what Filmora has to offer. If you don't know what Filmora is, I have made a video on how simple this video editor is. It can be used by beginner or even if you are an advanced video editor. So I personally have been using this for more than 2 years. As you can see on the screen, I have a paid version. It improves my video editing time, the workflow, and also enhances the video quality to tell better stories. So if you are a vlogger, if you are content creator, this is quite a handy tool for video editing. Before we go into the effect, in case you want to use the Filmora, I will leave a link in the description. By using that, you'll be able to try Filmora for free for some time. So make sure you're using the link to get to sign Filmora. Now, when you have these effects, all you need to do is you have your video. So this is the import media section where you have your video, audio, picture. So those resources, once it is here, which is transferred from your drive, your camera, wherever it is, then you just bring this to the editing table. So this is the editing table. Once you have this is your video, which is a normal video. Okay. And then you come to effect. In the effect, you choose the effect which you are interested in. For example, jump in is what we will select. Just drag and drop and you see now the video changes. So once you play the video, this is how the video plays. And on right side, you have option with adjusting the speed. So you can play with this. Each template will have some customization. Here you only see one. In some template, you may have more than one. So you can tweak a bit if you want. Otherwise, just leave as it is. So this is how the effect works. And if you have to go and check each of these effects, it is time consuming. So what I have done is I have made one length video where you will be able to see on this video how each effect changes the video and how the video looks. If you like any particular effect, you can take a screenshot, you can note it down and then use that on your video to tell your story. So sit back and relax.